Hi everyone, my name is Fernando Marque Rincon and this is my video tutorial about how to use the tool FlipSnap. Search of the internet for the FlipSnap page and click on the link. Okay, we are logging in our account. My account in Google. Okay, click on the or okay. Okay, this moment is t-shirt. Okay, our name of FlipSnap. It's I don't know, unit. Okay. Wait. Magazine. Push. Wait. Click on upload PDF. Okay, and upload files. Now be sure to bring your phone onto mine. Okay, this is some video of the page. What? Delete. Oh, my computer is slowly. When insert the document in PDF format, is this. Okay, and what happened? Okay, click on next. Oh, it's loading. Okay, click on next. Right. and this is the book. Okay, next. Over. This is it. And the finish is publish. Well, what kind of material would you design with the tool? Well, with this tool, I can create the required material for the students to follow the implement lesson plan. Some of these materials are stories, texts, brochures, among others. And the second question is, how would you play it in the classroom? Well, stories are the method of drawing students' attention and help improve listening and speaking. Texts help me improve reading and grammar, and brochures encourage students' wish. Thank you.